tracing for leakage in big trucks. These are what you call the rear brake chambers, brake boosters, these ones here. Over here, your mixture of water and soap. So yeah, now here our leakage is here. I think you can see here it's bubbling. That shows that the brake booster is leaking, meaning that even the braking has to be affected. Hearing that noise, it's coming from here. This one is okay, but this one, that's where the noise is coming from. Because this is the junction that brings to the rear brake boosters. This one this side and also the one this side. This is where the noise is coming from.